Hello, everyone. I'm ZHAO Chuang. Let's draw an Atlantic puffin, a cute-looking bird. Its most salient feature is its beak. When drawing, we should first depict its body as a common seagull standing on the land. It possesses webbed feet similar to seagulls. But what primarily distinguishes it from other seabirds, like seagulls, is its big head with a big mouth. Its mouth is quite distinctive, and it is as big as this. When it closes its mouth, both lateral sides around its mouth corner will squeeze some soft skin outward, forming two bright red spots on its face. Its eyes have surrounding triangular black rims resembling the makeup of clowns, another feature of this bird. Its beak has rich, complex patterns. When drawing, we should first remove the interference of these patterns, and outline the accurate shape of this animal, especially its wings. Folded birds' wings always look like a mess of feathers. However, from this model, we can see the interior structure, such as its upper arm, the lower arm, and its hand. These feathers on the entire arm are distributed by following certain rules, and we can also find the rules from the mess of feathers. Now, let's get started. Draw its head in a teardrop shape. With a pointed beak in the front and around the back. It has a neck like this, and its chest is tilted forward, resembling many birds. The shape of its entire body is a bit like a duck, but it stands upright and walks. Its wings are about this range. It has a small tail and a pair of relatively large feet. The feet are roughly diamond-shaped. We can directly depict the feet and draw them about this size. Then, let's illustrate the details from its feet. We can see 3 toes with black claws at the end. Its feet can be drawn a little bigger. Its toes are connected by webs. Then, we can outline its chest. Draw the shape of its folded wing. Most of its wings are covered with relatively short feathers. The same goes for the wing margin, which is also covered with short feathers. There are some long feathers, the flight feathers, in the far distance of the wings. The posterior half of the wing constitutes its back. We can draw this part to be fuller. Then, draw its short tail, also with a tuft of feathers. Now, let's move to draw its head. The rear half should be drawn rounder and plumper. Then, we come to its big beak. The beak extends backward to form its cheek. Then, let's draw the margin of its mouth. At this location, let's draw its tiny eye, a round, tiny eye. Draw the pupil inside. Its mouth is shaped like this, with a mess of flesh squeezed at the corner. Well, this is what the Atlantic puffin looks like without colors. Next, let's add its patterns. Start with its face. Its face is white, and the rest can be dark colored. Let's use these lines to make it darker. On its body, the color boundary starts from its neck. Its entire wings are dark colored. Let's slightly color it. But, when applying the dark color, it is unnecessary to draw it completely black. Just place them along the edge, especially where the part intersects with white. Draw more lines arranged in rows to make the overall color look darker. At the butt, we can extend the dark color all the way to the tail. A triangular black patch surrounds the puffin's eyes. Extending backward along the eye corner. There is also a black patch on its mouth. A large black patch usually appears on this part of its mouth. In front, we can draw stripes like this because this part is red. The inside is yellow. Its beak has very complex patterns. Finally, let's add some details. We can draw some wrinkles on the feet, and webs to make those parts look softer. Draw some feather texture on the abdomen to make it look more three-dimensional. Good. Like this, we've finished drawing this Atlantic puffin.